Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. In today's video, we are going to be checking out some fast wall charger for your iPhone XS Max. Lately, I've been hearing a lot of news on YouTube regarding the iPhone XS having some issues when it comes to charging the device during idle, and some just don't have that issues whatsoever like me. Hence the reason why I'm doing this video, because mine is working perfectly fine and I was able to test out these fast wall chargers for you guys to check out. The first one I've got here is the very slow 5-watt wall charger from Apple that came inside the box of your device. Next, I've got the aftermarket Ugreen 19-watt wall charger, followed by another Apple wall charger, but this time it's got a higher wattage of 10 watt that came with your iPad. Next, we've got another aftermarket wall charger. This one here is from Aukey. It's got a whopping 39 watt with dual USB port. It does have an option for a single port if you want to save a little bit of money. And finally, we've got the OnePlus Dash Wall Charger. In my opinion, this is the fastest wall charger you could possibly find inside a smartphone box. The Dash Wall Charger can literally charge the OnePlus 6 within under 2 hours or less. That's insanely fast, guys. So throughout the weeks, I've been testing these wall chargers one by one, and all I can say is that you definitely need to get rid of the stock wall charger that came inside the box immediately. So based on my test result, the stock 5-watt wall charger, I was able to charge my iPhone XS Max 3174 mAh battery from 0 to 100% within 3 hours and 28 minutes. With the Ugreen 19 watts wall charger, I was able to get within 3 hours and 29 minutes. The iPad 10 watt wall charger, I was able to get within 2 hours and 29 minutes. Aukey 39 watt wall charger, I was able to get within 2 hours and 9 minutes. And finally, we've got the OnePlus Dash Wall Charger. I was able to get none. No result whatsoever, guys. Don't know why they don't work, since other fast wall chargers work with iPhone devices from Android and vice versa with the Dash Wall Charger. I really have no clue, guys. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is somewhat helpful when it comes to picking the right fast wall charger for your iPhone XS Max. I know there are plenty more wall chargers out there on Amazon, but again, we don't really know if they are any good or not until it's been tested. So once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!